Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of launcher on the application of Authenticator. We click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you can search about Authenticator app and you will enter like this. Authenticator. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage and here you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.